Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest, and most affordable way to start your LLC in Alabama today. Now, this is exactly how I've created all of my business entities, and it is absolutely crazy because you guys can literally get your LLC set up in Alabama in about 5 minutes time. It is really that simple. So the first part of this video, I'm just going to go over what LLCs are and why they may be beneficial to you as an entrepreneur or small business owner. And then the second part is going to be me taking you step by step through a simple 4-step process of getting your LLC in Alabama set up and ready to go. So if you do want to skip directly to any part of this video, I will put the timestamps down below just to make it nice and easy for you. And now, without further ado, let's get started and let me show you how you can get an LLC set up in Alabama in about 5 minutes. So firstly, what is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. It is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people, if you want to take your business seriously, it is an excellent idea to start an LLC. That's because there are just so many benefits that come along with having an LLC. First of all, they limit your personal liability. So what this means is that if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they cannot come after your personal assets. So if your business does something wrong and you actually get sued by someone, then only the assets that are inside that LLC are at stake. So everything else, your personal things like your house, your cars, and any other personal assets, they are completely safe. That is where the term limited liability comes from. Now, if you are creating a business and you are looking for outside funding, LLCs do allow you to raise the outside capital as well. And of course, LLCs can have some very specific tax advantages. So rather than starting a C corporation, which actually gets double taxed, with an LLC, this is called a pass-through entity. So you're only going to get taxed one time. Now, I'm not going to go into too many of the details about the whole taxation of LLCs because there's just a lot of information, and you can be taxed as an LLC or as an S Corp. So when it comes to all of this tax stuff, I would just highly recommend talking to your accountant and figuring out what is the best situation for you and your business. All right, then now let's move on to the next section where I'll guide you through the simple 4-step, 5-minute process of getting your Alabama LLC set up. So setting up an LLC can be a time-consuming and just a frustrating process, especially if you're doing it all by yourself. You could potentially make a bunch of mistakes and just waste all of your time. So instead, I would recommend using an LLC formation service to just do everything for you. And that is where Taylor Brands comes in, because their LLC formation service can make the process quick, easy, and just completely hassle-free. So first off, what is Taylor Brands and how can they help you with starting an LLC in Alabama? Well, Taylor Brands is an online platform that provides all sorts of branding and design services for businesses. They literally have everything you could possibly need to start your business completely from scratch. They have a logo maker, website builder, branded merch, and a bunch of other useful tools for you to use as well. But in addition to the design services, they also offer quick and easy LLC formation services for entrepreneurs looking to start a business. Now, some of you might be wondering, well, why use Taylor Brands formation service instead of just doing the LLC by myself? Well, there are several reasons that I can think of. Reason number one, it is going to save you a lot of time and hassle and just all of that headache that comes along with setting up an LLC. Because like I said, setting up an LLC can be a complicated process, especially if you're doing it by yourself, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But with Taylor Brands LLC formation service, they take care of all of the paperwork and filing for you, saving you all of that time, hassle, and headache. Reason number two, their expert level guidance. So Taylor Brands LLC formation service provides expert guidance throughout the entire process. If you have any questions or concerns at all, they are there to help you and you can chat with them 24/7. Reason number three, peace of mind. With Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your LLC is getting set up correctly and fully legally with no mistakes made at all. And reason number four is their affordable pricing. So Taylor Brands LLC formation service offers very affordable pricing for what you get, and it is a great option for small business owners who who may be working with a limited budget. Their formation service starts at just $49, which is an absolute bargain. And it is designed to make the process of setting up an LLC as simple and straightforward as possible by doing literally everything for you. The only thing required of you will be to go through a simple 4-step process on their website that will take you literally about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through this simple 4-step process. So step 1 is just to answer a few simple questions about your business. So Taylor Brands will ask you some very basic questions about your business, such as the name of your company, its purpose, and the state where you want to form your LLC. Step 2, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization. So based on the information that you provided, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization, which is the legal document required to form an LLC in Alabama. They will ensure that all the necessary information is included and that the document is formatted 100% correctly. Step 3, Taylor Brands will file your articles of organization with the state. So once your articles of organization are complete, Taylor Brands will file them for you with the Alabama Department of State Division of Corporations, which is the governing agency responsible for registering and regulating LLCs in Alabama. They'll also obtain your federal tax ID number or EIN from the IRS and provide you with a copy of your completed articles of organization and everything else that you need. And step 4, well, there basically is no step 4. You're already done and you are ready to start your business. So after your LLC is formed, you'll receive your certificate of organization from the Alabama Department of State Division of Corporations. This document proves that your business is fully legally registered and is ready to start operating. So in conclusion, guys, setting up an LLC in Alabama doesn't have to be a time-consuming or difficult process. With Taylor Brands LLC Formation Service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them an excellent choice for small business owners who are looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you would like your Alabama LLC set up entirely for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount links I provided for you in the description and pinned comment down below this video. But as for this video, guys, that is just about it. If you do have any questions about forming an LLC in Alabama or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe and leave a comment for the algorithm as well. But as for this one, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.